Ensure a professional tile installation with the Vitrex LASH XL Tile Leveling System. The Vitrex LASH XL Tile Leveling System is a patented two-part system that can be used with tile up to 12mm stick. It's designed to prevent lippage by leveling your tile surface to avoid tripping hazards. Part A. The tile leveling clips are designed to hold tiles from underneath while still allowing the adhesive to grip the tile. These clips are larger in size, making them the preferred design for pro installers. Part B. The tile leveling wedges are reusable wedges which lock into clips, holding the tile at an even height. Install in 3 easy steps. Place the clip under the tile and into the adhesive. Slide the reusable wedge into each clip. For easier installation, lash pliers quickly set the clip onto the wedge without over-tightening. Once the adhesive is set, tap to remove the clips at the break-off point. Save time while achieving professional results by using the Vitrex LASH XL Tile Leveling System on your next installation.